ED403 Innovations in Learning Technologies and Professional Practice is a course offered at the University of the South Pacific. This video of my MicroLED is part of this course. The microlearning environment design activity requires us as teachers to develop a mini lesson plan. Here we carefully utilize inviting environments for learning in higher education. My name is Wafa Warda and I teach computing science at the University of the South Pacific. In this video, I will first talk about the course that I am designing my MicroLED lesson for, along with its course learning outcomes, particularly the one that I have selected for this MicroLED. Then I will discuss the lesson and how it will be delivered and assessed. The Requirements Engineering course introduces second-year degree students to the various requirement elicitation techniques that are used in the making of software. There are many tasks involved in managing a software project from start to finish, and this course prepares students for the initial phase where the thought of needing a software is conceived and the software engineering team discusses with the client team to figure out and formally describe the software that is needed. On successful completion of this course, students should be able to identify various requirements elicitation techniques for software development, develop a software requirement specification or SRS document, and finally model software requirements using use case diagrams. The course is part of the Bachelor of Software Engineering program accredited by the Australian Computer Society and hence has to align with the graduate outcome, which is the graduate should be able to develop real-world software systems. For this micro-LED, I will focus on course learning outcome number 3, which says that students should be able to model software requirements using use case diagrams. The objectives of the lesson are to understand use cases and use case diagrams in the context of software engineering and then to learn to draw use case diagrams given a set of requirements. The lesson will follow this structure. First, I will provide an overview of various diagrams used in requirements engineering. Then, I will introduce use case diagrams. We will explore some tools used for making these drawings. Finally, we will read through a case study and create its use case diagram together. There is a formative assessment that goes with this. After the lesson, students are given a new case study and they have to create the use case diagram on their own before submitting it for feedback. Normally, this course is offered face-to-face only, and the formative assessment takes place in an informal classroom setting. Students draw the diagrams on paper, they get instant feedback from the lab facilitator, and then they create their final diagrams using the drawing tools. However, due to COVID-19, we have to deliver the lessons online. So I will be using tools like Zoom to deliver the lesson content, and I will use Moodle's assignment Dropbox feature to receive student solution submission and then give feedback there. This concludes my micro learning environment design. I will really appreciate your feedback. Thank you.